In today's world, webcams have become essential devices. In a very short period of time, they have grown from the very basic camera to extremely high-end video devices, which can be used for fun, security, business, and a whole lot more. One can create high-quality videos that compete with Star Wars, or take photographs that make you look and feel like a professional photographer. The Logitech Webcam already such a device. It is easily installed. Simply download its software to your computer. Plug in the camera's USB cable to the computer. Follow the prompts of its wizard, and you're ready to begin. Focus on your target. The camera's high-end integrated microphone picks up your voice even at a distance. No need for a separate headset or microphone. It pans and tilts 189 degrees horizontal and 102 degrees vertical. It provides optimal FaceTime during video conferencing and instant messaging. When you move, it actually moves with you. It'll follow you around automatically, turning left and right, up and down. In addition to face tracking, it offers numerous clever features, from grainy old footage to funky black lights. At $130, the Orbit is one of the more expensive webcams on the market. But if you're searching for a webcam that can look back at you no matter where you are in the room, the Logitech Webcam Orbit is certainly worth the investment.